How to set a live wallpaper on your Android phone. This tutorial will show you the latest method. First, go to your home screen. Then press and hold on an empty area until the customization menu appears. Next, tap Wallpapers. Here, check if your phone includes a live wallpaper section. If it's available, browse through the collection and tap the live wallpaper you'd like to use to preview it. If your phone doesn't have built-in live wallpapers, open the Google Play Store, search for Live Wallpaper, and install a trusted app that offers animated wallpapers. Once you've selected a live wallpaper, tap Apply or Set Wallpaper. Then choose whether you want to use it on your home screen only or on both the home screen and lock screen, if your phone supports that option. Keep in mind that some Android phones don't support live wallpapers on the lock screen, and available features may vary depending on your device and software version. That's it. You've successfully set a live wallpaper on your Android phone. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more Android tips and tutorials.